we're going to show you how to get maximum flavor into your roast potatoes. We used Yukon Gold potatoes. We didn't peel our potatoes, we just removed some imperfections. Try to choose potatoes of similar size so they cook evenly. Rinse and scrub the potatoes, then add them to a large pot. Add enough cold water to cover the potatoes. To infuse the potatoes with flavor right from the start, we added bay leaves, thyme, rosemary, and garlic. Add a lot of salt to the water before cooking. The water must be on the salty side. This way the potatoes will absorb the salt while cooking. Bring them to a gentle boil. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. This will depend on the size of your potatoes. After 10 minutes, take out one of the potatoes and insert a knife. You want them to be just a bit soft, so that the knife goes in quite easily. If it does, the potatoes are ready. Try not to overboil them. Drain off the water. Drizzle olive oil over the bottom of a roasting pan or oven-proof frying pan. Also add butter. You need the fat for full-on flavor. Add your hot potatoes and take out the herbs and garlic. Flatten the potatoes a little with a potato masher. This way the surface area touching the pan is greater, which makes for more flavor and it helps make the outside of the potatoes crispy and delicious. If you need to, move the potatoes around so they cover the surface of the pan in a single layer. Potatoes need a lot of salt, so we'll add more now. Don't be stingy with it. This will pay off in flavor. Also add some pepper and drizzle with olive oil. Roast in a preheated oven for half an hour. Take out the potatoes and carefully flip them. If they break, it's not the end of the world. If you find our video helpful, please do help us out by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Return to the oven for another half hour. Take out the potatoes. For added flavor, season them with more fresh herbs. Sprinkle on half of the herbs, then flip the potatoes and sprinkle on the other half. We added rosemary and thyme. Oregano and sage also work well. We're only adding the herbs now for the last 10 minutes of roasting, because if you add them earlier, they'll dry out and turn black. This way they keep the flavor and are crispy. Return to the oven for the final 10 minutes. The potatoes should look like this when they're done. Golden, delicious, and packed with flavor. We hope you enjoyed these delicious roast potatoes. If you liked our roast potatoes video, we think you'll love this one too.